What's up, guys? Good morning again. This is going to be a video that's going to go over the top 5 tools and other resources that you guys need to use to have success on Amazon in 2018. Now, the first one is going to be Jungle Scout. Jungle Scout is by far the most important thing that you guys can use, and the reason behind that is because that's what you're going to be using for product research. And in my opinion, it's the best tool out there. I haven't used Viral Launch. I know Unicorn Smasher is free. I understand that some of you guys might not have the money to afford Jungle Scout. I believe it's like $130 or $180 just for the Chrome extension alone, which I get it. You know, but you definitely need that. You definitely need that if you're gonna pay for any tool. Make sure you get that Chrome extension. It doesn't have to be the Pro version. You can get the Lite version as well. It doesn't matter. But you definitely need that. You shouldn't be using Unicorn Smasher. It's a free tool, but it's very inaccurate, and it's not gonna give you the numbers and give you that confidence that you need in order to jump onto a product. Now, you can get the web app if you guys want. It is a $40 per month fee though, but just do it like everybody else is doing. Pay the $40 initially and just grind that whole entire month in order to find the product that you want, right? Or find more than one product, find 10 products in that 1 month, so you don't have to keep going back to the web app and keep paying that $40. Now, the web app is a great tool. I found most of the products that I've launched. Let's see. Yeah, I found both my products on there because it's a great tool, especially if you enter in numbers and data in there that not everybody else is using. You might be able to find products on there that not everybody is going to be finding, which is a great tool. And on top of that, if you can't spend the extra $40 for just that 1 month, that's fine. Just get the Chrome extension, because that's what you need. That's what's going to tell you the most accurate data when it comes to sales volume, the reviews, how many, the sales volume, the seller ranking. So you definitely should get that tool out of everything. You need that. You definitely need that, because if you don't, if you try and wing it without the tool, it's really hard. You're going to be you're basically just jumping into this business blind, right? Because you're not going to be able to determine people's buyer seller ranking, you're not going to be able to determine the seller ranking, how many sales exactly it's getting each month, and then trying to compare that to each other product and each other competitor. It's not worth it. It's not worth your time. So definitely jump on these tools, guys. So that's the number one most important one. And let's see here. And of course, you have to have a professional seller account on Amazon as well. So just make sure that you don't have an individual account. Now, I know some of you guys are probably wondering, like, oh, I got a seller account and I got the professional one, and basically the first month I got charged $40 even though I didn't do anything. That's fine. Just contact them and tell them that you didn't do anything FBA related on your professional account. So just ask for a refund for that $40, and they'll most likely give it to you. They've refunded me before. So just ask them for that. And guys, you don't need a professional account until you actually until you start sending over your inventory, until you start to make like your shipping plan and everything. So just keep that in mind, guys. The second most important thing is your keyword tool. So make sure that you have a good keyword research tool. So that's going to be a tool like wordtree.io, keyword inspector, merchant words. I'd say pick wordtree.io, because that one it ranks the keywords based off of relevancy. So you're probably wondering, why do I need keywords? Why do I need these top search volume keywords? Well, these things are what people are searching every month. And relevancy, especially in 2018, when it comes to your product, and not you should be worried more about relevancy as compared to the actual monthly search volume of a product. And that the reason is because if you have a keyword that's more relevant as compared to the search, as compared to like how much is search each month, then you're going to have keywords that are more relevant to what other people are searching. So people might not be searching your exact product, but your keyword might be relevant to that, so they might find your product, especially if you have like something like a bundle. So that's definitely something you guys should consider. Definitely use wordtree.io for that. It completely kills it with, you know, comparing different competitors' keywords, and it finds out what keywords they're ranking for and what's the most relevant ones that you can use on your listing to rank next to them as well. So going on to the next thing, and also guys, for the keyword researcher tool, you don't have to use like all three of them. You don't have to use Keyword Inspector, because Keyword Inspector, I believe it is like $20 a month or something. And on top of that, wordtree.io, it's like $10 per report that you get for relevancy, which is, it's not that bad because you only need one. You basically just enter in the 10 top competitors, and it tells you the top used you know, or relevant keywords that they're ranking for PPC and organically. So let's see, and of course you can use merchant words, which is $9 a month. You can go on YouTube and find people that have it in the link in their description. So it's definitely check that out. Let's see here, picture editing software. So number 3 is I mean, you can have tools for this or you can outsource it, right? It's a picture editing software. So guys, the best thing that you guys can do for your pictures is take them yourself or get someone else to take it for you. Like if you have a camera, you know, send the product over to you, send it to someone on Fiverr, have them take pictures for you, and it's pretty simple, right? And then from there, what you guys want to do is create transparent images of your pictures. And now transparent images are images where it's just the image, or it's just the product alone. It's just, and there's no background behind it. There's no white or black background. So that way you can just simply click on the image, you know, and just drag it around and place it anywhere you want, and not have to worry about the background getting in the way of everything else on your Amazon picture. So the best way that you guys can do this, and this is the way I did it, go on Fiverr, and if you don't have Photoshop, if you don't have any Photoshop skills, that's fine. But you know, if there are guys out there that have Photoshop but don't really know how to use it or create transparent images, just comment down below. I'll tell you guys how to do that. I'll create a video for it. But you create the transparent images, you go on Canva, which is completely free, You can use it for a ton of stuff, not only just Amazon. You go on there, you upload those transparent images, and you can basically just drag them all over the place on a white background. Remember, that's what we want on Amazon, a white background. You can drag it all over the place, put them wherever you want, you know, take the box image and then, you know, drag it to the back and then put your product in front of that, you know, have it, you know, tilted over, make it look professional. And then if you have a bundle, you can throw that picture on there as well. So it's a really great tool that you guys can use. And you know, the concept of transparent images is absolutely amazing. So definitely something you guys should look into. And then of course, if you don't want to do any of that or learn how to do transparent images, just outsource it on Fiverr. So and then number 4 is Facebook ads and an ad account. Now this is optional, just like number 3 is optional as well when it comes to outsourcing. But Facebook ads are going to help you a lot when it comes to especially launching your product. You know, in the first beginning stages of launching your product, you need Facebook ad account is going to add the extra, you know, power, the extra push for your product when it launches. And the reason for that is because it's outside traffic. It's Facebook traffic, and you know, the theory goes is that Amazon loves Facebook traffic. It loves this outside traffic from other you know, like social media websites and stuff. So if you're able to learn, if you guys already know, if you're from like affiliate marketing or you know how to use Facebook ads, you know how to do detailed targeting, then it's a really great tool that you guys can use in order to, you know, directly target people in the whatever niche you guys are in. So definitely look into that, guys. I can create another video on Facebook ads. I'm still in the process of getting my Facebook ad account back up again. I've I've been disabled from my account multiple times, but I mentioned in a previous video, you can get it back on your own address and IP address and everything. So definitely, guys, Facebook ad accounts are great because they're basically a cheaper version of a launch service. So going on to number 5, which is not really a tool but a resource, which is reviewers and people that can do a legit review for you for your product, whether it's pictures or videos. Now of course, it would be great while in the production process of getting your product manufactured. Contact people on Facebook. Contact people that aren't your friends, but people maybe in an Amazon group or some type of business or entrepreneur related group, and make sure you're not adding them as a friend. Make sure you're just messaging them and be like, hey, I'm starting this new product launch and I need some reviewers, right? And just be like, hey, I'll pay you if you're able to leave a video review, or I'll pay you I don't know, like $3 in order to leave a couple pictures or whatever. But honestly, guys, it should be free. They should just be able to do it for you. If they're nice people, of course. And then you just cover the product costs for that verified purchase. It'd be like, if your product was $20, you'd be like, hey, I'll pay you $20 for the product, for a free product if you can leave me a review for it, right? But honestly, guys, this stuff should be free. When it comes to getting reviews, right? You should be only paying for the product costs and sending it over to them, right? So definitely, guys, you need to be getting your reviewers down and have them do a video review for you. And that's definitely a great resource that you can have. But that's definitely a great resource that you guys can have, is having people that are willing to do video reviews for you, especially people that are they're educated about your product or educated about your niche. And if you have a beauty related product, it'd be great if you could contact these people in beauty groups, or go on Facebook, find these groups that are in these niches, and then ask people to review your product. Now, of course, like I said, don't be connected to them. You cannot trade reviews on Amazon. If you do that, they'll catch you and they'll remove your reviews. So alright, guys, so that is the top 5 tools and resources, in my opinion, that you guys should be using in 2018 in order to take advantage of Amazon and in order to start killing it and have success. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like down below, make sure you subscribe, and tell me what you guys want to see next. There's not like a whole bunch of different ideas and topics that I have, but I'm basically just going as I go. So definitely hit me up down below, and make sure you check the description, because I have free tools that you guys can use. I have basically step 1 through 10 of how to get started with Amazon and what you guys need to be doing. And on top of that, I have a simple supplier template that you guys can use in order to contact your suppliers and in order to go negotiate and everything. And I have some videos on that as well. So definitely check it out, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace.